Letting go. Tap. Tap. Hey, what was that? Ah!
Damn it.
Put it through here. But, what was that? Oh, wow. No, I was supposed to give it back to you.
All right, let's get started. Come on.
All right, do it again. I'll be like, oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Dude.
Somebody's texting you.
Hey.
Oh, wow.
Here's your sword back.
Thank you.
No problem.
You gonna do it for now?
Yeah.
Alright. You know, it's been morning since 45 seconds.
Well, we're starting up. I did catch you.
Yeah, it don't matter.
Okay. Oh shit, my bad, people.
Yeah, I had no leverage in this. You alright?
I got that one.
Diaphragm. You have agility, I have reach.
Well, we got to start up.
Oh, sorry, did I poke you?
Yeah, you got ready to
I'm
go.
done. I poked you. I'm done here.
That don't count.
Okay.
Switch swords in.
Alright. Done. Cherry flavor.
Hey.
This is more my taste.
Where am I going, huh? Am I going up? Down? Right there. You're already done.
Yeah. Like a boss and just get over here.
Start up.
I want to go smoke. Who wants to go smoke?
Start up.
Who wins?
First one to two. That's just one. Start up. There you go.
Begin. Dang.
Bam! No, go with it. Go with it. Bam! Who wants to go have a beer?
I do.
And stab him. Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it. Ah! Let's go have a beer.